Today, most of our fathers and mothers cannot fulfill the fifth pillar of Islam. That is visit Mecca in your lifetime. Because it has become too expensive to do so. NDC used to make sure that the Hajj was affordable, so that as many people could perform the Hajj as possible. I remember during my time as president, we even put in an arrangement so that the Hajj committee could get dollars directly from the Bank of Ghana at a lower rate than the Forex Bureau, so that we could make the tickets cheaper than using the Forex Bureau rate. And so there are many things that we did to make sure that our pilgrims were comfortable. We opened the second takeoff point in Tamale, and I was proud to be there to witness the first Boeing 747 taking off from Tamale Airport to Medina. And since then, those in the northern sector fly directly from Tamale, so that they don't come and create congestion with those who fly from Accra. There are many more things we can do to make our pilgrims comfortable, and I can assure you that not only the Hajj, but many other things.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.